Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 7 Nike Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to change the text size on this device. So if you want to, for example, make the text on your watch smaller or bigger, I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it either by tapping on the screen or pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Here, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen and find the settings icon. Then tap on the icon to open the settings. In settings, you should see this page right here, settings page. Now scroll down, tap on the display and brightness option, and here you have the text size option. Tap on it, and right here we can customize the size of our text on the watch. To do it, you can simply tap on the icons on the left and right, like that, or use the digital crown, rotate it basically to adjust the text size. Once you're done, simply go back like this. You can also enable the bold text option to make the text bold, the font bold, as you can see. Okay, you can also customize this text size by using the phone app. So let's bring our iPhone right here, open the watch app on the phone. In the watch app, you should see this page, my watch face, or rather my watch page. And on this page, tap on the display and brightness option. And here we have text size. And again, we can adjust the size of the text by just simply swiping on the slider like that. And also you can enable or disable the bold text if you want. And once you're done, simply close the app. And that's how you adjust the text size on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.